Hey guys, Maki Guitar is back with an episode of lesson. Okay guys, so for this video I'm going to make some lessons on how to get a ear training, how to understand the ear training, okay, how to work your ear to be able to understand notes and some other licks, okay, when you hear other guitarists plays, okay. You know, one of the challenges a lot of people have is that a lot of people cannot understand notes, okay? They cannot figure out notes in a particular song. You try to score a song and you are trying to see what's the note they're playing there or what the particular scale they're playing, okay, what the particular scale they're playing. Sometimes you might hear someone play something like this, okay. Sometimes you may have some melody like that. You try to see how you can figure out what note the person is playing, what's the secret behind what is playing. Okay, so for this video I'm going to make it clear to you what the things you need to do. Okay, the things you need to start learning, things you need to start practicing that will help you and enhance you for you to be able to have a good ear. Okay, ear playing. Okay, so because the most important things about being a guitarist is for you to have a very good ear playing. Okay. So I'm going to make this video very brief and straight up. So make sure you watch it to the end and don't miss any part of the video. Okay. So if you know that this is the first time you're watching on this channel, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button. Okay. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. If you like the video, you can smash the like button. If you have any challenges, drop it on the comment section. I'm going to give the reply as soon as possible. Okay guys, okay, before then, if you know that you want to join my online class, my personal online class, you just follow the number on the screen there, okay? Then hit me up, I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Alright guys, so let's move to the video. So for today's lesson, I'm going to use the key of C to make the lesson, okay? Just going to use the key of C to make the lesson for you guys. So the number one thing you need to start learning, you need to start working on yourself for you to be able to have a good ear training, a good ear playing is number one. Memorizing your major scale. Okay, so the number one thing is for you to memorize your diatonic scale very well. Okay, like this is your C, key of C. Okay, like this is your key of C. Okay. Now, this is what I'm playing. You know, most time you might feel that I'm playing some other scales, okay, one kind of scales there, but I'm not playing any scales. I'm just playing the major note, the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, okay. Now, how to memorize that is when you are playing it, okay, try to call the notes out when you are playing your diatonic scale, your major scale, okay. Try to call the note out, like make sure you are familiar with the notes in your earrings, okay. Make sure you're familiar, like when you are playing your do, re, mi, okay, la, sol, la, ti, do. Okay, do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Okay, stuff like that. If you can be practicing stuff like that, it's going to help you enhance your hearing, your hearings. Okay. Do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. Okay. So if you can be learning stuff like that, so when you play this same thing here, you can come to another interval here, the key of C here. Okay, you can come to another interval here. Okay. So the same thing you played here, you can still play it here also. Do, ti, la, sol, do, ti, la, sol, la, ti, do, re, la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol la ti do re mi. So with this, you can be able to know a particular scales or a note anyone's play in a particular song. If you try to score the song, it will be more easier for you when you hear someone play any licks in any song. Okay, this is one of the major things, one of the secret, okay, that a lot of people have been practicing for over a years. Someone like me, this has been my challenges back then, so I took up on myself and tried to learn it often. I learn it often whenever I'm playing my diatonic scale. I try as much as possible to pronounce the note, play along with the note perfectly. Okay, so I was training that over a years, and I see I can be able to understand it now and understand note whenever I hear a note or I hear a lick played in a particular song. Okay, guys. So when you play stuff like that, do ti la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol la ti do re mi, then you can improvise that again on other intervals, such like do ti la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol. Okay, so if you can improvise that in 3 intervals in a particular key each day, you'll be able to understand that you'll be familiar with notes when you hear someone play licks in a particular song. Okay, stuff like do ti la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol la ti do re mi. Then you come to this interval. Do ti la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol la ti do re mi, do ti la sol la ti do re mi. Then you come to this other interval again. So if you hear someone play stuff like that in a particular song or in any jazz blues song, you'll be able to figure out what the person is playing. Okay. Then when you get to that, another thing you should be memorizing is stuff like okay. So if you hear someone play stuff like that, you should be able to figure out what is the note is he sliding from and what is the note is he playing on. Okay. Now at first, you need to know the key of that song. Okay, you need to know the key. So how do you manage to know the key? Is that whenever you hear the song being played, okay, whenever you hear the song being played, the first thing you should do, okay, the first thing you should do is listen to the song and try to see how you can use maybe your third string, mostly your third string, okay, to find the keys of the song. Now, what you will do is that if you want to grow your ear training or your ear playing, what you do is that once you go to your third string, like anywhere you place your finger, okay, listen if the note is accurate with the song. Now, probably the notes might enter in any way, okay, pertaining to the song. Okay, might enter in any way pertaining to the song. So what you do is that when you get the note, you try to figure out maybe like a major scale, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Before you could play the major scale finish, you might have the key of the song, okay? Or you play like a chromatic scale, something like that. Do, di, re, fa, mi, fa, fi, sol, la, do, ti, do. Before you play this thing, the chromatic scale on, you will get the key of the song. Okay, so these are the basic way you can be able to work your ear training for you to be able to figure out any licks, any note that is being played in any song. Okay, guys. So I believe this lesson is going to help you and enhance your playing, as well, and also your ear playing. Okay. So guys, I'm going to stop here for now. So wherever you don't understand, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to give the reply soon. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.